This is the windshield repair lab test that is in the windshield repair standard in the United States, Britain, Australia, and New Zealand. Every windshield repair standard globally recognizes the mechanical strength by 3-point bend as the test for windshield repair. The way it works is the laminated glass that is repaired is compared to the strength of new laminated glass. So in the test, the repair is on the bottom side of this laminate, and that will put the bottom side in tension, so that side will break first before the top one, which is getting compression from that center anvil. And once that bar starts to go down, it goes down about 5 millimeters every 30 seconds. And it is connected to a controller and then and software to the computer. And this is the readout that you'll get when the glass breaks. The graph is what tells the story. The first dip is where the repair side broke, and that will be the score of that repair. The second dip is when the second layer, which was on the top, broke. And then that score is measured usually in newtons, and you can convert it to pounds or whatever you wish, but that's what it looks like. So again, this is the repair test for windshield repair as it is compared to new laminated glass. These repaired samples are first exposed to weathering to mimic the real world, so it's not like you just repair it and then put it in the machine. You actually put them in the freezer and then you put heat on it, and vice versa. So anyway, that's how you test windshield repair. If you are buying windshield repair equipment, you should demand the mechanical strength by 3-point bend from whoever's selling it to you. And the test is called the Repair of Laminated Auto Glass Standard, and that'll help you out. You don't have to guess at what you're buying. You can get a lab test on it. Thank you. This is Rich Campbell from Ultrabond.